Hi everyone, in this quick video we are going to look at the undo send feature within Gmail. To get started, you're going to select Settings, see all settings, and underneath the General section near the top you're going to find the undo send setting. You have the option to move your send cancellation period anywhere from 5 to 30 seconds. After that 30 seconds, the email is sent and there isn't a way to recall it. We're going to select our selected time, scroll to the bottom, choose Save Changes, and then compose our email. This setting will be remembered from there on after, so I'm going to send an email to myself, making it a test, and hitting send. In the bottom left-hand corner, for the next 30 seconds, because that's the setting, I will have the option to click undo, and my message will return and go to my draft folder for me to resend at another time.